I think it's something about I just look like Ben in makeup. I started wearing makeup because I had to. We started the Willows, and at that point in time, I don't think I knew what makeup was yet. So if you go back and search like a lot of the old videos, I look really young. We started doing like more shows. So every time you do a show or shoot, like people would pile makeup on you, and slowly you start to understand, because like I would talk to a lot of the makeup artists and be like, oh, why are you doing this? Like, and sometimes you realize certain looks work, and then you realize certain looks like don't work at all. And then after a while you get a bit more self-conscious and you're like, okay, I need to look chill. I think beauty became sort of a job hazard for me. Maybe it's because I have to look good constantly for my work, but when I'm not working, I'm generally makeupless, and I can go makeupless for like weeks if I don't have to shoot. I guess I would describe my makeup look as a lot of warm colors. I don't like cool tones, and it'll be fresh, kind of glowing, very earthy. I think looking pretty is not a thing that most girls aspire to anymore. It's a time where you don't have to really accept the body that you were given or the face that you were given. You're allowed to create your own personality with the makeup that you have, and I think that's great. Well, at least for me, that's much more what I would aspire towards than simply looking pretty. I mean, what is pretty? But I honestly feel like the only look that actually works for me is the look that I do for myself. They've tried to do like really dark eyeshadow, and I honestly look quite drag.